Cleaning my PC while I do specs reveal. The case is a TechWare Quad Cube Mini that I modified. Changed the tempered glass side panels with mesh. The wheel setup is a Logitech G27, which is held up by these 3D printed brackets. The top exhaust ARGB fans came with my cooler. Fans are spaced out because it hits the cooler. The front intake fans are two up-here non-RGB 120mm fans. The case came originally with a 200mm fan that broke. The PC is connected to two TVs, the monitor, Ethernet, USB capture card, 3 USB hubs, and aux. The monitor is a Spectre Pro ultra-wide 100Hz. The GPU is a Gigabyte 3070 Eagle OC. The CPU fans are ID Cooling branded fans. The CPU is a Ryzen 7 5800X cooled by a Snowman T6. RAM is 2 Team Group 8GB at 32MHz. The power supply is a Seasonic Focus 750W 80+ gold. The motherboard is a Gigabyte P550M with Wi-Fi. The boot drive is a WD M.2 512GB.
I did not watch Evangelion.
And we're done. Next time I'll be cable managing my desk. Bye.